can't sleep?
I had a bad dream.
I'm an awesome warrior. But even warriors need a little light sometimes. My mum used to say that without the night, we wouldn't get stars. Or glowworms. How cool are these little guys?
You know, glowworms use their light to attract small insects, and then they eat them.
Wow.
You remind me of someone really special. Yeah, you're just like my little sister, Whiro. Feisty and curious, just like you. Po Māori e Rangi.
You okay, Tiare?
Come here, girl. Did you sleep well, my gorgeous girl?
This is the last of our food. You know, I think you're right, Josh. About Pōrakanui. Who else would want the god sticks?
Nah, it was just a more trap. It's just bad luck.
Yeah, we've had this kind of bad luck before.
Oh my gosh, yes! This is so like Pōrakanui.
You know, I'm starting to think you made up this rangatira and his village.
Oh.
Finally!
What happened?
Probably just a bunch of more.
Uh-oh. They don't look happy.
So you destroyed our fern root crops. Why did you do this?
We need these crops to feed our whānau.
This wasn't us. We are on a journey to seek the god sticks.
Seekers! Always trying to steal the god stick of Haumie Tiki, no matter what the cost.
What are seekers?
Power-hungry people who try to take the god stick for themselves.
We're not like that. We're trying to save Arohe.
So you claim. How do I know they aren't like all the others?
We didn't do this, but we can help. With my magic. I don't understand.
You don't think we tried that?
We do have our own god stick.
Huh. We brought these from our village. A gift for you.
What use are these marvelous seeds when you've destroyed the Mara on the terraces?
And tonight will be the fiddle moon.
Everything must be planted by dusk. if you hope to survive.
We can help. All of us.
Don't back down, Kura, for we are formidable! Gardeners! Yes, we are formidable gardeners!
Let's just see if your actions speak louder than your words before the fiddle moon rises.
Time to muck in.
Ah,
There's still so many terraces to plant and mend.
And so many kitties to fill with food.
try your god stick again, Rangi.
I'll just make it worse.
How about the karakia for planting? Maybe that would help?
Would you like to?
Nau mai e ngā hua, o te wao, o te ngākina, o te waitai, o te wai Māori. Nā tāne, nā rongo, nā haumie, nā tangaroa. Haumie, huie, tai kie.
I've got an idea. We can help create new ahure fields.
I didn't know you could eat these.
Well, they don't taste as good as kumara, but they sure beat having an empty puku.
Oh, this might get us through the next part of our journey.
Mmm.
Don't you think it's weird that Tiare has disappeared again?
Are you missing him too, Josh?
Yeah, right. Like I'm missing looking at his perfect hair. So where is he now that there's work to be done? There's something sus about him.
Maybe. I'll keep my eye on him.
Now he turns up. Once all the work's done.
I've gathered tāwhara fruit for our journey, and this for you. Ko ngā rangatira te tau te toki.
Mmm, it smells so good.
Your mahi and karakia have weakened the makutu. It'll take time, but our crops, they'll grow again. But be warned, god sticks are not toys or trophies.
Of course not.
The god stick of Haumie Tikitike is a taonga who chooses where it ought to be. It's not for us to give you the god stick you seek. God sticks have a mind of their own. And this one's cheeky. Don't say I didn't warn you. decision is out of our hands.